video, and today I'm going to show you guys what hair products I use to grow my hair out while it's in braids. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's only 5 products I use, and only 4 of them are pretty consistent. There's one technically that's a little replaced only because I ran out of the hair oil that I made, so I'll be using wild growth hair oil to replace that. Not to say that wild growth hair oil hasn't played a factor in growing my hair out, but I haven't been using it recently only because I made my own hair oil mix, and that's really it. So I'll show you guys how I apply these products to my hair. Right now my hair is like super dry, and that's only because I know I made a video before this and pretty much telling you guys about my hair and whatever, but I went on the trip after and I didn't have any hair products because I only did like carry-on, so I didn't have any hair products. Where I went was cold, and the third one, your girl was wearing a Scully, and that pretty much took all the moisture that I had in my hair before I left, took it all away. So I came back about I think like 4 days ago. Came back like 4 days ago, 4 or 5 days ago actually, and yeah, I moisturized my hair the day after I came back. And so obviously my hair is already dry because I didn't moisturize it ever since. I just been going to the gym and whatever. So I'll show you guys what that looks like in my hair, and I'm gonna stop talking so you guys can just, watch the video. Alright, so first I'll be using my trusty spray bottle. There's only water in here, and I'm just gonna dampen my hair because I like it really wet. And I make sure to focus on my roots and my ends because this is important, especially since it's gonna be rubbing up on everything. I have been making sure that, my hair has been getting put up. So I ain't got no damage for you. I gotta get my roots in the back. I am done with that step. I usually, while my hair is in braids, from one of my videos, I let you guys know that I wash my hair probably like once or twice while it's in mini braids, and since it hasn't reached the 1 month mark yet, yeah, no deep conditioning or anything has happened. So until then, I try to make sure that my hair is being like super moisturized. So on to the next step. Next, I'll be using the Hydrating Buttercream from the Gold series of Pantene. Let's see. There we go. Yes, I'll be using this. This is not really a staple for me when I'm moisturizing my hair, but I'd like to use this as somewhat a leave-in. I do usually use this as a leave-in, the Cantu Coconut Oil Shine and Hold Mist, but I'm switching it up because I need a lot of thickness. I don't need anything that's like liquid or anything right now. So I need something thick. So I'm gonna be applying that to my hair And I'm actually going in pretty heavy-handed with these products. So, going in pretty heavy-handed, making sure that I get my ends as well. So that's that. Next, y'all already know my staple, my Cantu coconut curling cream. Major staple for me, especially with the fact that my ends are pretty curly. This helps it stay curly. And obviously it's almost done. This big container is almost done. Well, gotta get a new one, gotta restock. So I'm using that much on one side. And this is pretty thick, so I'll probably have some like white residue in my hair after, which I really don't mind. It just means that my hair is coated. And y'all probably noticed too that with these products, I don't put it on the scalp. Only cause I already told y'all, your girl ain't washing her hair until the 1 month mark. And this will help me not get product buildup. So we're putting that on. Very ends. Next, we're going all the way back, you know, the OG pink, the oil moisturizer hair lotion. This in the last year and a half has become a staple for me, which is why the container is so big. So, and it's high key almost done. So I'm definitely getting a new one with that too. Most of my hair products are high key almost done. The ones that I use like every day, every other day, they're almost done. So I definitely need to re-up on it. They've lasted a really long time, so I ain't even mad at it. But I definitely gotta get more. So I'm using that on one side. Now the hair lotion, I don't mind using on my roots, only because first of all it says that it's an oil moisturizing hair lotion, so I don't mind. Oh, too bright. So I don't mind using it on my roots, but this time I don't really think I'm gonna use it on my roots, only because I'll be using my hair butter and the wild growth hair oil on my scalp, and that would be enough product for me. Yeah, I don't know why I keep getting so bright when I be moving, but yeah. So this is what that is looking like. Oh yeah. Alright, so now, which I've shown you guys this container, but not with the official label on it. This is my, it's looking a little gray, but it's really black and gold. This is my hair butter, my DIY hair butter that I am actually selling on Etsy for right now until, you know, I get myself a little website and make it official, but people have already been purchasing it. But this is what I use. Mine is almost done. It's, dang, can y'all see that? Let's see. Yeah, it is almost done, sadly. So I definitely have to make more. I have to make more for selling purposes too. So into here, I'll be using this much, and I'm only using this much on my whole head because it's a butter. So when I rub my hands together, this is how much, you know, comes up, and this will be going on my roots. And obviously I don't want to overload my roots with product, because this will eventually turn into an oil, obviously from the heat of my scalp. So I'll be using that much. And last but not least, I'll be using the Wild Growth hair oil, which you guys have seen on my page, on my channel countless times. I am not ashamed to say I use Wild Growth hair oil. It has helped me in growing my hair out from the jump when I had like hella heat damage, and you know, my hair was damaged from like doing too many protective styles and stuff, like, so I'll be using it. I'm just gonna be applying it down the middle. Apply it down the middle, apply it around my edges area, because you know your girl like the full edges, so I'll be applying it around my edges. And then I'll just put it in my hair like this and just let it go down. Wherever there's an opening, I just put it. And while I do this, I'm massaging it in. While I do that, I'm gonna massage it in. Ooh. Yeah. Massage it in. And then, you guys probably haven't noticed that your girl has not sealed in her actual strands. So instead of doing that with my hair butter, I'm gonna do that with the Wild Growth hair oil, because it's a lot thinner than the hair butter. So I'm gonna seal everything that I added to my hair into my braids, which, as you can see, if you can see it, like my hair, you can see the oils and everything in my strands. And what's actually great is that I ain't got no white streaks this time. So put some on the other side, seal the other side in. I don't know if y'all can see, but look at all those juicy curls. Super moisturized. And then later on, I'm actually gonna throw my hair up into a bun, because I really don't want my hair out. And no, I'm not putting any tension on my edges or my roots or anything if I were to sleep with my bun. So yeah, I try not to make it too tight when I go to sleep, but these are the finished results. As long as y'all got moisture on your scalp and your strands, of course, and you're keeping your hair protected, y'all gonna get the same results that I got. You know what I mean? But I will definitely be doing a video on my DIY hair butter. It was requested, so I'm gonna do a video on that. The oils that I put in the butter is the same oils that I put in the hair oil, but if I don't want to use the hair butter, then I could just use the hair oil, because it's just the oil minus the butters that are used to make the product. So I'll be doing a future video on that. I definitely want to thank you guys so much for your support. I've reached a little over 500 subscribers, and you know, it's a blessing. I recently unlocked the new community tab, so I'll definitely be interacting with you guys more, and if you guys want to interact with me too, y'all can hit me up or whatever. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.